Stop paying for bags, whether that's checking a bag or buying expensive bags for your travel. Share this with your traveling friends and save it for your next time you travel, but I've broken down exactly what you can carry in a personal item and exactly what you can carry in a carry-on so you know what you can bring. So this is a 3-part series. I break down exactly how much I can fit in a personal item dimension and a carry item dimension. And in the other 2 videos, I have bags specifically for personal items, cheap and expensive, and the same thing for carry-ons, cheap and expensive bags. This is how much you can fit in a carry-on on almost every Canadian airline. The line indicates kind of the lowest, with a few specific smaller airline exceptions, but I can fit more than enough in here for like a 2-week vacation for me. So what can I fit in a carry-on? This is typically what I'd pack for like a 2-week vacation, maybe splurging on a 1-week vacation. I have toiletries, a spare pair of shoes, in this case sandals. I could probably fit sneakers in here. 2 bras, 4 pairs of socks, a long sleeve flannel, 14 pairs of underwear, a dress in case there's something formal. Normally I actually just have a swimsuit cover-up dress that swaps out for that. 1 dress or Hawaiian shirt, 5 t-shirts, t-shirt to sleep in, 2 long sleeve t-shirts, and this is a spare shopping bag. Technically, you only have to the line and you have to up to the lid. My water bottle, iPad, sunglasses, and really you have probably about 2 inches all the way around for plenty of space. This is more than enough for me for 2 to 3 weeks, and I have no shame in washing clothes. Everywhere has laundry machines. I bring my own unscented laundry detergent, but what bag can you put all of this in and travel with comfortably? Just remember, you don't need a special bag to travel, and you probably have something in your house that you can use to carry this, but will this all fit in the bags you have? Part 2, I'll show you the exact bags I have and a couple inexpensive bags you can buy. I would love if you'd subscribe. I don't make money off this. That's why I'm making homemade sizer bins. And I used this bag before, so it's allowed. Just because the cop didn't pull you over when you're speeding doesn't mean you weren't breaking the law. Don't snitch on the ones that let it slide or just didn't notice simply because others are following the rules.